voted 4 years in a row to.
Let's go back a little bit.
The last time.
Go back. Go back. Go back. Oh, can't go back now all of a sudden. Alright. Alright, here we go. Let's record.
At one point, and he even stops to get out of the stolen car and give Facebook viewers a 180-degree look at what he's seeing.
Look, check it out. I'm in the cop car. Where's my sirens at?
I would encourage every criminal out there to Facebook Live their crimes so that we can catch you a lot easier and use that Facebook Live at your trial.
But wait, there's more.
Arrogant motherfucker. But anyways.
Tracking the stolen police car to his parents' house.
Evidence? Oh, yes. Let us show you the evidence we have, Your Honor. Well, hurry up.
Looky, looky.
The last time this happened, taxes in New York State increased by $9 billion, spending by $12 billion. On the Roslyn School Board, Haber voted 4 years in a row to increase the school tax levy. Protect your wallet. Say no to Adam Haber.
Are you happy with your bathroom? I wasn't. But for years, I didn't.
That's all the evidence we need.